Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be looking at some trains, some diesel locomotives and steam locomotives. The steam locomotives, I only know two of them, but the two others, they're just one of these British ones like, what was it, Tornado, the Tornado steam locomotive. Yeah, so let's check all of these diesel locomotives out. And we'll be looking at these and let's check them out. So guys, first we'll be looking at the detail of them and everything. We'll be keep on saying the classes. Yeah, so let's start. And guys, they're just those magnetic trains. Yeah, so they're not actually accurate trains. So they're not accurate size, so don't be like, oh, this isn't the same size as that or something like that. So please just enjoy. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, now let's check them out. First we got the class 66. Yellow one. Traditional. Class 66. Yes. So wait guys, I need to shake the track. It's a bit too tight here. Oh, yeah. So I put all of my locomotives on the track, guys. This long track. Okay, coming with the class 59/66. So you know the class 59, it's actually called 59/66. I've only seen this once in my life, so I'm not sure, maybe I've seen it again, but the only time I remember was only once. So yeah, let's carry on. This one is class 08. Yeah, so the next one is going to be class 01, the oldest train in the UK, very nice and old. So as you can see, these red wheels are really nice, magnetic wheels, you can stick it like that. Yeah, so now let's carry on with the rest of the trains. Guys, by the way, I'm just telling you, I'm going left, so I go through the track and see all of the diesel locomotives. So now let's check them all. Let's check them out. Okay, so coming with the class 73. Yeah, I know you guys like it. So now, next we're coming with the class 01. Just two before the class 08. So yeah, let's check it out. Here is the class 01. As you can see, it's the steam locomotive. Here, it doesn't have a really big magnet. It's nice. Fits on the track perfectly. As you can see, guys, when the train is coming to the track, it's like that. And that thing goes up, look. Wait, guys. Do you see? You can see it bending. It's slightly bending. So now, we're off to class 70. Here is the class 70. I just told you this because this class 70 is actually as long as, this is a surprise, but it's actually as long as this, guys, as you can see. Because here, I'm not really cheating. Look, they're actually the same from the camera. Looks like they're different. But this one is slightly longer, as you can see. Yes, so it's because it's really has huge magnets. Now, let's check out the next locomotive. Just before that, guys, I have this locomotive for you to look at. It's a bit shorter than this one. This magnets are super duper tiny. So we can put them on the track. Because we're not using these today. We're using only the diesel ones. Yeah, so now let's check out the next diesel. Oh guys, this whole time I was saying the class is wrong. Class 37 is actually class 37. So yeah, now I just corrected myself. And there's the class 37, traditional class 37. Yellow, just like the class 66. We have three stuff for yellow. Three. Including this one. No, without this one, we have three with this one. we have 4. No, I mean by this one, guys. This. Without this, we have 3. And with it, we have 4. Because this one doesn't really fit properly. But I still bought it. Because it still fits a bit, guys. So now let's move on to the next locomotive, which will be a steam locomotive. The ones that I said I don't know properly, they're just one of those UK steam ones, Britain, yeah? So now let me show you it. Okay, so here it is, guys. Same as the next one, yeah? And then we look through all of them. So this is the traditional black one. I just like steam trains sometimes. Yeah, last time I used to like them a bit. About 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 1 day ago. Yeah. Now let's move on to the next one. So this is a nice steam one that uses coal, as you can see. So same thing as I said just now, except from the other parts. You know what I mean, guys. Yes, so same thing as I said just now. This is the same thing, guys. So yeah. Now we went through all of them, and now let me show you them from the top view. Maybe about 50, 70 meter high view. This, guys, this is about 70 meters high. Feels real. These are the ones that I was talking about. I put them on my track. They're good. This one is a class 66 coming up with a class 59, coming up with a class 08, coming up with a class 70. Wait, is that the class 70? No, that's the class 70. That should be the class, what was it, guys? 73. Class 73 is really old. Coming up with a class, 73. And then coming up with a class 01, very old compared to this. This is the class 70. And then this one's the class 37. And then this one is the class, those steam trains I was talking about, and that's all done. There. So it's like a track that's like a circle. A bit like an A, because that's the circle, and then that's the circle. So if you haven't seen the review of this train, yeah, you must check it out. It's really nice. 17 meter Metropolitan Line S stock. And this train, and that train, and that train. They're all nice. And also, guys, recently I made a class 66 drawing here. A DB class 66. It's really nice. Here's the Metropolitan Line. And this from the top view. Bakerloo Line. And yeah, this one's 15 meters long. Halfway. Yeah, so this one is 17 meters long, guys. I searched it up on Google. So there, you can see it. Compared. That one's fine, guys. Oh, like real life. Okay, anyways, guys. Now we're back here. These have really nice details. Now let's try them all on the track. This is the class 17. That's it. Going. Just one sec, guys. Amazingly good. It's just ridiculously good. It's amazing. The class 17, as you can see, it says moving. There. Now let me zoom in on it. Look. It's like train spotting, guys. It's really fun to play with these stuff, guys. And as I said, I suggest people in the free cannot play with these stuff. Think you guys think that I'm talking about the other model that was yesterday, but I'm actually talking about this one, because if you actually remember, then I said this one too. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Now we'll do the same thing with the others. So let's start out. Here is the class 66. Very short, guys. It looks indeed. Here it is approaching, like train spotting. Now, let's see from the other side how it goes. Yeah, so that's the class 66, very nice detail, yellow, just like the class 37. So yeah, let's carry on. Class 01. Now let's zoom in from this view. Maybe from this view. Yes, so from this view. If you're wondering where I put my other ones, I just put them at this car. There, as you can see them. Audio. Yes. Yeah. There's class 01 going. It is going. Yeah, very nice indeed. Coming with the class 08. Very nice indeed. Yeah, like the 01 indeed. This time I'm gonna go here and zoom in, guys. Right where my tracks are. Okay, so as you can see here is guys. Yeah, so that's it going. Yeah. So now we can see it come from the other side, guys. From here. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay, so now moving on to the class 37. Here is the class 37, guys. Here is the class 37. Now, as you can see, this is going. When I press hard, it makes that weird noise. Yeah, so that's it going. What's it going in the full track? Okay, so now that was a short one. We need a bit of more details. So this one is nice and yellow, just like the class 66. How I said, class 66 look very short from far. As you can see, this is class 37, 18 meters, guys. So it should be slightly shorter than class 66. Coming with the common steam trains that we were talking about, green and red. You can see it from far. Very tall and short. Sit down. Very nice indeed. As you can see, has lots of details. Sit going backwards. Sometimes they go backwards, guys. It's really weird in my opinion. Yeah. So now we can see the next train come up. Red, blue. Okay, so just sit. Magnets. Silver, black, green, red. No. Silver, black, green, red, silver, red, black, white, red, silver, red. Yeah, so that's how it is. And black, silver. Okay, so that's that. This one is the same thing but different colors. So silver, black, red, silver, black, red, silver, black, red, silver. So silver, black, red, silver, black, red, silver, black, red, silver. Really cool pattern. Oh, I nearly forgot about the class 59. Oh, I forgot to show the class. Wait, guys, just 1 second. This is this from far. So 1 second finish, guys. Yeah. Now, just for a treat, I'll show you this one. This is steam train from far like that. There it is. Yeah, pretty nice, guys. Okay, guys, so that's how I remember. I think that's all for today. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Turn on the notification bell and subscribe button and like button for 5 years of amazing luck. Do it. It actually works. So if you keep on watching my videos and viewing them and everything like that, you will get 10 years of amazing luck and a bonus one if you keep on doing it all the time, and if you keep on doing it for every time, then you'll get 50 years of amazing luck. So luck to the tree or any luck that you want, guys. So here it is. So that's all for the video today. Please turn on the notification bell for more treats, for more treats, for more stuff like this. For more. Yeah, turn it on for more. And also so you don't miss any treats and beautiful, amazing treats. Because I'm doing this all for you guys so you can see these treats. So I hope you love this. So bye guys.